Is your PC running into memory management issues? Learn how to fix the memory management error 0x0000001A in Windows 10 and 11 with these 4 simple solutions. Stay tuned to get your system back on track. Press Win plus R to open the Run window and type the command devimgmt.msc. Hit Enter to open the Device Manager window. In the Device Manager window, right-click and select Update Driver for whichever driver you wish to update. Restart the system. Press Win plus R to open the Run window and type the command mdshed.exe. Press Enter to open the Windows Memory Diagnostics tool. Select Restart Now and check for problems. Recommended. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar and click to open the option. Select the drive to clean up. I would suggest cleaning all the drives one by one, and then click OK to run the procedure. Restart the system and check if it helps. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and right-click on the option. Select Run as Administrator. Type the following command and press Enter to execute it. Thereafter, type the following command and press Enter to run the SFC scan. Restart the system once the commands have executed. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.